Hi everyone, it's Skillet Social. Today I'm going to talk about how to stay motivated and explain the importance of motivation. First thing, it's important to recognize why motivation is important. It can help you stay focused, organized, and productive. It can also help you stay on top of your goals, build confidence, and help you be successful. Now, let's look at how to stay motivated. 1. Set goals. Having a goal in mind can help you stay motivated because it gives you something to work towards. Break your goals down into smaller, achievable tasks that you can complete. 2. Make a plan. Make a plan for how you're going to achieve your goals. This can help you stay on track and keep you motivated. Reward yourself. Celebrate your successes. Give yourself a reward when you reach a goal or accomplish a task. 4. Surround yourself with positive people. Having positive people in your life can help you stay motivated. Surround yourself with those who are supportive and encouraging. 5. Take breaks. Don't forget to take breaks. Taking breaks can help you stay focused and motivated. These are just a few tips to help you stay motivated. Remember that motivation comes from within, so find what works best for you and stay motivated. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Like, share, and subscribe.